Guess who that is? Guess who that is?
Who?
You.
Me?
Yeah, right here.
I look like a Minecraft person.
Yeah, because you play Minecraft on.
I'm foraging in the stash for some yarn color choices. Adam has asked for a pair of mittens, which never happens. He's always told me he doesn't like mittens. No matter what he says, he has always told me that he does not like mittens. But he asked me for a pair of mittens, a very specific pair of mittens he asked for. He said, I think that he thought that this didn't exist, but it totally does. He wants mittens that the thumb and index finger are out, like a hole that you can like slip them out of. They're called photographer mittens. Some of the patterns are that I've seen on Pinterest and such. I'm just gonna kind of improvise and just kind of go off of numbers that I already use. The only thing I'm not entirely sure about that I need to talk to him about still is if he wants the thumb to be fingerless or have a hole that he can slip out of, which would annoy me, but he may prefer that. So I'm going to give him some color choices, and then also so in the process of looking for yarn for Adam, I of course found yarn for a new cast on for myself. I'm going to hold this double because I discovered the hard way at the lake yesterday. It was so cold and I was wearing my Mary Margaret tam, which is a fingering weight lacy beret style, and while I love the pattern and I think that it looks beautiful for like photos, it was not very efficient in keeping me warm, and the elasticity with the very short ribbing that was done on it, it didn't stay up very well. So I'm going to make a chunky cabled mohair plum colored, although I guess this isn't plum, but it's kind of plum, and I love blacks, plums, purples, so I think this is going to look great with everything in my wardrobe. So I may make a pair of matching mittens to go with it, the antler mittens, because I love working on them so much, but I don't have enough mohair to do both, so I'm going to have to curate my mohair stash very soon. I'm making stir fry for supper. So we had pizza. The kids had a couple friends over this afternoon, and I cut up half of a couple peppers and half of an onion and put it on our pizza. So, oof, my hair is going crazy. So I'm just going to use what's left of that to do a veggie stir fry and just do kind of a quick supper because I'm tired today again. So, yeah, and the kids are having their dinner now. They wanted sandwiches, which is easy for me. So, and then we're just having a really chill afternoon because tomorrow is going to be lots of cooking and stuff because we're going to Grandma and Papa's for a fall get-together, aren't we?
Yeah!
Yeah, it's going to be a bonfire and it's going to be lots of fun.
Are you so cozy, Siri? Yeah? Cozy baby girl? Oh,
Woody and I are sitting getting ready to just relax and knit. He's having a hard time settling. Oh, hi baby. This is a good boy. It's been a very busy day. I'm happy to be sitting down and relaxing a little bit. Tomorrow, as I mentioned earlier, is the Adam's family has a harvest party type thing for his dad's birthday, and also just to kind of celebrate autumn. We have a bonfire, so I am bringing a lot of food. I'm gonna make our favorite 15 bean soup, which is made from dry beans, and so you soak them overnight. You can add sausage and bacon and stuff, but of course we make ours vegetarian and with cornbread and stuff like that. So I'm also making pumpkin cobbler, which also has lots of names. It's called, I've seen it called pumpkin dump cake, or pumpkin pie dump cake, pumpkin pie cake, pumpkin pie, or upside down pumpkin pie, stuff like that. So anyway, it's really good. So I make that each year. And tomorrow I'm making caramel corn, and oh, an apple cider, mulled apple cider. So yeah, it should be fun. It should be lots of fun, festive footage. I've also been spending not really quite a bit of time. I really haven't been working on them very long, but they're knitting up very quickly. I'm working on Adam's mittens that he asked for. I've just finished the thumb gusset, so here they are on. Adam's being very loud. He has headphones on. He doesn't know how loud he's being until he watches this later, and he'll see how loud he's being. And he's talking about Toy Story 4. That's what's making him so passionate in there. Toy Story 4 really works us up. It's heavy. It is heavy. But anyway, I'm babbling. I think that Woody and I are just going to sit here and knit, watch podcasts, or maybe just watch the fireplace. I haven't decided yet, but thank you all again for those of you that visited the update today, because Saturdays are update days, so thank you so much for that. Thank you for all the kindness about the Consider the Raven videos, and just all your kindness in general to me and my family and my shop. So I will see you all tomorrow.